Primetime news this evening, controversial MP Everald Warmington breaks his silence in a TVJ News exclusive. Chaos at St. Elizabeth School after fight involving boys and their cronies. And meeting to discuss Haiti situation pushed back.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, and those of you online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, millions of people worldwide were without Facebook and Instagram access today for some time. What happened? That and more in the business day.
It was like a crisis, like a super crisis. People did not even know how to function because they couldn't log in on Instagram and Facebook. But anyway, that's one of the conversations.
If you say so, Janella. And Jordan Fort, he's also here to tell us if there's any crisis in sports. Jordan, what do you have for us?
Well, it might be a crisis brewing, Herman, because the JFF, remember that saga between themselves and the reggae girls who went to the World Cup? And unpaid monies, well, we're now hearing that they've overpaid some of the players and underpaid others. So what happens next? I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
Okay, this story just feels like it's never going away. But anyway, and Romaine is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romaine?
Thunderstorm.
Thanks, Janella. Now, tomorrow, Wednesday, we are expecting clouds and showers in the afternoon across most of the island. But then thereafter, expect drier conditions and stronger winds, especially across coastal areas.
Okay, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what was your experience during the period when the census was being taken?
Now you can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.